Yeah,
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great and fantastic. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing good as well. Just, working on my to-do list and attending
Yeah.
sessions. So, yeah, it's going pretty well and productive as well.
Okay, great.
Okay.
So should we start a conversation with our introduction?
Yeah, sure. So, would you like to go first?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Okay.
So, as you can see, my name is Mamta, and basically, I belong to the capital city of Rajasthan, which is Jaipur city. And
Okay.
I have completed my graduation from Gujarat. I grew up there, and currently, I'm running a YouTube channel named Mamta Inspires, where I share English learning content. And apart from this, I'm preparing for cabin crew interviews as well. And about these days, so these days I'm just working on my communication skills, English fluency. You can say I'm working on my soft skills. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love to dance. I'm fond of reading books. I love to explore new things. That's all about me.
Wow, fantastic, Miss Mamta. I mean, a lot of things about you and great, actually. Okay. So, let me introduce myself, right?
Yeah, sure. I'm eager to listen.
All right. Pleasure always mine. So, as you can see over the screen, I'm Priyanka Kushwa and I'm connecting to you from Madhya Pradesh. At present, I'm living in my hometown. And when it comes to my education, so I'm in my master's second year of MBA with the specialization of marketing and finance. And apart from this, I'm running my YouTube channel, which is all about spoken English conversation. And I connect with co-learners, good speakers, that's all I can say. And when it comes to my hobbies, I like to read books, and dancing is also one of my hobbies. So that's all about me.
Wow, wonderful. So, are you taking spoken English classes as well?
Yeah, I'm taking one-on-one spoken classes as well. I forgot to share about that. So, as we are here for the session, would you mind sharing your English journey a little, like how long you have been learning?
Yeah, so if I start sharing about my English learning journey, so back in 2020, when lockdown and COVID came into our life, so at that time I passed out my 12th, and that like after completing our schooling, so we become little mature. So
Yeah.
I thought like now my dream is to become a cabin crew. Now, in order to become a cabin crew, I must have English fluency. That's when I thought now this is the time to work on my fluency. So that time, like after COVID, I was just doing listening English, reading English, writing English, but I was not consistent with my English speaking.
Mhm.
So you can say in 2024, I started speaking English. As I don't have English environment, so I started using online platforms to do my English speaking practice.
Okay.
That's how it is going right now.
Okay. And what about your daily to-do at present? I mean, are you conducting session on a daily basis to work upon this language?
Yes, absolutely. In this year, I have started in January month. I was not aware of Skype application. I don't know how many people are making videos, conversational videos on YouTube, but I was not aware about this. But recently, I came to know about this, so I thought let's start this. So yeah, I'm regularly having conversations with my subscribers, or with I invite people as well to have a conversation.
That's fabulous,
Hmm.
Ms. Mamta, because that is the only thing that will help you to master your goal, and especially to become eminent speaker. As your field, as you have, decided to join cabin crew, that position, so you have to master it. That is the only thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I forgot to mention one thing. I want you to observe my mistakes, that whatever the grammar mistakes I'm making in this conversation, please observe those mistakes and my facial expressions, my body language, and end of the conversation. Could you please give me feedback that where I need improvement?
Okay. Let's see. Of course, definitely. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, because body language and facial expressions are really important for me.
Indeed. Indeed. I mean, the way you present yourself, you should be approachable, you should be confident, and it's okay to, like, your pace should be as low as possible, because that's how, it's easy for me to observe. And other than that, I mean, you seems very confident, I must say. As you join the session, I get the energy. Okay, now it's like it's time to
So
you know to speak up.
it takes a lot. Like we feel like we are not able to do this, but when some other people appreciate it, so it gives energy to me.
Yeah, I mean, as soon as you joined the session, and I was like, seriously, because I was writing a script, okay, about my next video. It is related to shorts and all. So nowadays I'm working on that as well. So I was just writing, just a little bit brainstorming, and I was thinking about like what can be the idea for another video. And suddenly I thought it's 2:55, so I have session with you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So, tell me some of the like you have identified some of the problems of your while speaking, especially in this language, or you are just going with the flow? How you observe and how you track your progress?
You know what? Like, when I started learning this language, so I didn't know that how to read properly. I just did. I have given exams in 12th or 10th just to pass the exam though, just to pass those exams. Like in every exam we have a 10th marks of essay writing, 10 marks of story writing. So I used to prepare for those only so that I can just clear exams. Otherwise, I was very poor at English. Uh, so yeah, as I said, reading is really important, but reading was really difficult for me. um, I used to not like reading, but I started reading from children's books. Like I
That's
have one younger sister. I started reading her books, but now I'm really fond of reading books. I cannot stay without reading. Every day I read. You can say I start my day from reading books only. So yeah, reading is important, and listening. I started listening as well. But you know what? I observed that just in a few months back, I observed that I am lacking in confidence, eye contact. I have to make eye contact. I can say that I'm pretty much comfortable on audio calls. Whenever I have audio calls with anybody, that people say that you can give spoken classes to them. That those people say that you are very confident, but I say that yes, I'm comfortable on audio calls only. But when it comes to video calls, so I sometimes fumble and I just I have many things in my mind, but when it
yeah.
when it comes to share, so yeah, we fumble and these things happens. But I know that what is the solution of those things? Consistency and practice is everything. I have to do it whether I want to do it or not. My mind is saying that no, just I hang up the call, but I want to do it. I really want to improve. So
Hmm.
you have to face your fear.
Exactly. And the one thing that is really, I mean, fascinating about you, what I just observed, that you're very passionate about, like what you exactly get to the table. And you know that what are the things you have to do, and you know the solution as well. But the thing is that practice is the only thing that will help you. So really appreciate your
See, we
efforts.
all know we all know that what are the solutions of our problems. Everybody know. Like I'm also a YouTuber, so every day I'm getting so many comments that, ma'am, how can I speak with someone? So I say that, dear, you are living a dynamic world. You have every resources to do anything. Do not complain that I don't have this environment, so I'm not able to learn this language or speak this language. We all have solution. We are just becoming crazy and mad about those things and
Yeah.
making excuses.
Yeah. Excuses, and this is a time of, I can say, social media, like like people are distracted, especially the youth. But we have
Mhm.
time for everything. If we make it, if we want something really bad, we can work for it and we can achieve it. There's no problem with that. We have to manage time. Then that's the only solution for it. Let's do a rapid fire. I was thinking, because quite a while now, let's do some, fun questions fast. Okay. Actually, I have for this, I've been thinking to do this with any Kolana, a new. Okay. So let
Okay,
me ask some of the question. Are you ready?
okay. I'm ready. Excited.
Yeah. There should be fun fact, right? Okay. So tea or coffee? Which one you prefer?
Nothing. Both
Nothing.
of not.
My question is wrong. Books and movies. Which one? Like books or
All
movies?
absolutely books.
Books.
Absolutely books.
British accent or American accent?
British texture.
Okay. If you could master any English accent, which one would you choose?
Absolutely British texture.
Morning person, night owl?
Morning person.
That's all. You did really great job, Miss Mamta.
Okay, these are very common and sweet questions. I can answer anytime.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know about myself. That's why.
Yeah, exactly. There are many questions actually, but I thought like simple questions will be fine, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so
absolutely.
thank you very much for joining. It was really nice session. And at last, I just want to say that, of course, you seems very confident throughout the session. And also you have the right mindset. You're very clear about your career. So just, like go with this flow only. Don't let anything, disturb you or distract you because you have the potential. What I feel from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, all the very best.
Okay, thank you so much. And